Bano be bakungu okuva mu disitulikiti y'e Kikuube nga bakulembeddwa mubaka wa President Godwin Angalia wamu n'abapunta okuva mu minisitule y'eby'ettaka n'amayumba abazze okwerula empenda wakati w'ettaka ly'ekibira kya Bugoma wamu ne kampuni ya Hoima Sugar. Okusinziira ku RDC Godwin Angalia, abantu bangi babadde beesenza ku ttaka ly'ekibira kya Bugoma Central nga bagamba nti basimba ku ttaka lya Hoima Sugar.
So as security we requested the line ministry of lands to bring surveyors so that we can demarcate this land, the Hoima Sugar land, and also so that we can plant pillars on Bugoma forest.
Kati bagamba okuteeka ebikondo ku ttaka lino kyakuyambako okukuuma eryo erikyasigaddewo.
So by guidance of surveyor, this is a pillar for Hoima Sugar, meaning from here to this side, this is the Hoima Sugar land. But the whole of this, it means we are supposed to have trees here. Probably this is the forest.
Mu kibira kino era tusanzeemu n'ennimiro za kasoli n'ebijanjaalo. Bano RDC abawadde gaabuwa okwamuka ttaka lino ng'embeera tennasajjuka.
I think 40 years have elapsed. They should pack and leave. Mainly these one who are in the forest. These one should pack and leave. The one who are in the Hoima Sugar land, we shall have a meeting with the director of Hoima Sugar who has been represented for an engagement. We don't need to use a lot of force in evicting people.
Akulira Hoima Sugar Farm asanyukidde ekyokwerula empenda ku ttaka lyabwe eriweza square miles 22 ku ly'ekibira kya Bugoma.
Here I thanks to Ministry of Land and also district authorities for doing this exercise. We are very happy in opening this boundary. Once again, thanks to district authorities and also Ministry of Land.
Wano RDC walabulidde abo bonna abaneetantala okusiguukulula ebikondo bino nti bakolwako mu mateeka.
Of course, the land user is a criminal, is a first suspect. What I mean, we shall proceed with our cardinal mandate under police of investigating whether the moment the pillar has been uprooted. In the Secretary Committee, we also agreed that we should deploy heavily at the boundaries of Hoima Sugar and Bugoma Forest.
Abapunta era basimba ebikondo ku ttaka lya MZ Enterprises n'ekibira ki Bugoma Central Forest. RDC bw'ati asaba bonna balina okwemulugunya kwonna n'obujulizi ku bwannannyini ttaka babuleete mu bakulu.
Because many people have been claiming, I have a land adjacent to the forest. I have a land in Hoima Sugar. So whoever has any complaint should bring that legal document so that we can proceed with evidence.
Onajjukira nti wiki ewedde okupunta ettaka lino kwatongozebwa minisita w'eby'ettaka n'amayumba Judith Nabakooba olw'abantu abali basusse okulyesenzaako.